Let's go.
Yeah.
call me a joke?
What? You are bored in a BMW? Then you should try out M-Mode Sport. Should I open the M-Mode menu?
Yeah, sure, open it.
Unfortunately, I could not find any destination with the name Yes Sure. Should I search for another destination?
Cancel that.
Okay.
Weather report.
Currently it is rainy in Ranst with a temperature of 12 degrees.
Navigate to BMW Bornham.
I have found multiple results for BMW Bornham. Which one should I select?
The first.
Let's go.
Yeah.